What's going on, guys? It's Tamil here and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, guys, I'm giving you 5 ridiculously insane reasons to join network marketing. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so one of the reasons why a lot of people oftentimes want to join network marketing is because you can get in at a very low startup cost. Alright, so the fact that you can join this type of business, guys, under $100 a lot of times, even if it's a couple $100s, that's considered a very low startup cost compared to joining a franchise or maybe compared to starting your own business. Because if you try to go out here, guys, and start your own business, you're going to be out of pocket probably like thousands of dollars. And so to be able to get into an opportunity where you can create passive income, where you can start to bring in some income soon, you know, it's very difficult to start a business where you can get in at such a low cost. So oftentimes people love this type of business because you can start at a very low cost and honestly build this business to a 6-figure a year type of business. So people do that all the time. So that's one of the reasons why I encourage people who are looking to, you know, start their own business or start some sort of, you know, side hustle or whatever you want to call it. I often encourage them to try network marketing because you can really get in at a low startup cost and it's not going to be that much of an out-of-pocket fee. So even if it's something that's not for you, at the very maximum, maybe you spent, you know, a couple $100s, but you're not in debt thousands of dollars now because you've invested so much money. So network marketing is great if you want to get in at a very low startup cost. Alright, so now the second ridiculously insane reason for wanting to join network marketing, guys, would be time freedom. I mean, who does not want to have their own time? Who does not want to punch a clock and have to be at a job every single day and spend 10, 15 hours a day at your job? And so time freedom, guys, is something that we can't get enough of. Usually it's like we have a lot of time and no money, or we have a lot of money and no time. And so what I run into most of the time when I talk to people about this business is that they have no time. They're spending countless hours at work and really building up someone else's dream, and they don't have enough time to enjoy their family, special occasions, to hang out with friends, and to be able to just do the things in life that they've been dreaming about doing, but they can't do because they don't have the time to do. And so the way network marketing really allows for you to have some time freedom is through what we call passive income. And I'm going to get to that in a little bit. But guys, you know, time freedom is one of the things that, you know, for myself that I'm chasing after, because for the corporate world, you know, that's something that you're not going to really get. And so if I can get more time so that I can, you know, be able to spend with family and friends and pursue some of my life passions, that's more of a dream for me. So that is an insane reason why people typically will join this business, is for that time freedom. Alright, so another, you know, ridiculously insane reason why people join this type of business, guys, is that there's no employees. You know, there's almost virtually a very low overhead other than, you know, where you're running your business at. And the fact that you don't have to hire people to work this business is a very awesome business. You don't have to worry about, you know, putting people on payroll. You don't have to worry about taking care of people in a way that most corporations do, and that overhead can get very expensive. So you don't have to worry about hiring a bunch of employees unless you build up some massive organization and you've expanded outside of network marketing. Typically, no employees. Now, the fourth reason for joining network marketing for myself was leverage. Now, if you don't know anything about leverage, guys, leverage is one of the best reasons why to have a business in the first place. Think of it like this. What if you could multiply yourself 5 times? So if you can make 5 copies of yourself and just send them out to get a job, you would be able to have 5 sources of income coming in. But because we cannot duplicate ourselves, we can't duplicate that kind of time by, you know, having multiple copies of ourselves. So the great thing about leverage is that we can leverage systems and tools, put those things in place, and be able to multiply our efforts and our income, since we can't multiply that time. And so that's what leverage does for me, guys, is when I run my business here on the internet, I'm able to use things such as video marketing. I'm able to use my blog to create leads, and I'm able to bring in leads on a 24-hour basis. So I'm not really limited to the type of leverage or the reach that I have with people that I don't even know. And so that's what leverage will do for you. And network marketing, the way that you can have a leverage with network marketing is when you build an organization. Like I said, you can't multiply yourself 5 or 10 times, but you can have an organization of thousands of people. Using that type of effort, guys, will totally take this business to the next level. So now this might be a reason that you're not really thinking about, but another ridiculously insane reason to join network marketing, guys, is the tax saving benefits. Now I know you're probably thinking like, well, who would think about the tax saving benefits of joining network marketing? Well, it's a home-based business. And if you don't know anything about home-based businesses, that you can basically have one heck of a tax saving benefits just by running your business from your home. So there's a lot of things that you can possibly save on that you don't even know, because if you're in the corporate world, guys, these are things that you typically cannot take advantage of. So we're talking about vacation expenses, business vacation expenses. We're talking about healthcare type of expenses, utility expenses, mortgage expenses. These are all a different array of things that you can take advantage of in terms of your tax saving benefits. Now, I'm not a CPA, I'm not an attorney or anything like that, so definitely consult with them. But imagine what that could do for you if you could save even more money in taxes. You could do the same, guys, with a home-based business. There's a lot of tax saving benefits that you can have, even such as writing off your phone. So if you are considering starting a home-based business, think about, being able to save in that area. And guys, taxes are going through the roof. We pay so much in taxes, especially if you're working a job every day, just like I am, because I'm still working my job. We're going to pay a ton of money in taxes. So how can you begin to save more money? Start a home-based business. Guys, those are my 5 ridiculously insane reasons for starting network marketing. And you know what? I wanted to put this out there because I'm not quite sure if you're watching this video because you're thinking about joining network marketing, or maybe you're already in network marketing and you didn't know that you can benefit from all of these things. Whichever way, guys, I just wanted to put this video out there. Hope you got value out of it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you put a comment down below if you have any type of questions that you want to throw out there to me. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.